Due to the current state of global warming, there's an increasing desire to achieve carbon neutrality. 50 million tons of electronics are produced annually in 2019, and electronic waste are becoming a major problem as only 20% are firmly recycled, creating pollution. However, recycling e-waste are also useful in more ways than just stopping pollution. Electronics contain lots of metals like copper and gold, and recycling these metals can further reduce the carbon emission of metal production. This research aims to address the problem by developing a machine where people can sell their e-waste to by estimating the recycling worth. This increases motivation to recycle as the process is now more straightforward and rewarding. The machine is capable of taking in PCBs using a conveyor belt, will then detect the value of components on the PCB using an object detection model, and estimate the price based on the results. I've started off with training the object detection model. I labeled common components like capacitors and heat sinks on 92 different circuit board photos. The dataset is then used to train YOLO v4. YOLO v4 is used as it is an one-stage object detector. It can detect and classify objects in one iteration, making it fast enough for real-time usage. In the end, 5 models were trained, and as shown in the photo, the models were able to detect components on the PCB successfully. However, some problems were then encountered. For example, smaller components like MLCCs were hard to detect due to the low resolution used in training. So to solve this problem, I sliced the PCB images up into smaller pieces during the detection process. This allows the model to detect at higher resolutions without increasing training time. At the same time, I also decided to take photos under infrared lights instead. The different metal reflection on the PCBs enhances the results of object detection. Lastly, I designed the machine in SOLIDWORKS and manufactured it using aluminum extrusions and 3D printed parts. And with everything complete, I can now estimate PCB recycling prices successfully.